Patrick. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I just made a big cup of coffee, so now I feel alive again.
Same here. I had 2 cups already. Maybe too much coffee.
2 cups? Wow. You're on fire today.
Yeah, well, I woke up late. I was rushing around my kitchen like a crazy person.
I know that feeling. But hey, good to see you, Shirley.
Good to see you too. Oh, maybe we should introduce ourselves for new listeners.
Oh, yeah, good idea. Hi, everyone. I'm Patrick from California. I love movies, long drives, and really good sandwiches.
He really loves sandwiches. And I'm Shirley from North Carolina. I love books, cozy nights, and making fun of Patrick's sandwich addiction.
Listen, a man needs hobbies.
Okay. So today we're doing something fun and super useful.
Yes, we are talking about 20 American English slang words you must know in 2026.
Not old slang from the 90s, not boring slang from the textbooks. Real slang, modern slang people actually use.
And we're going to explain everything in very simple, slow English so everyone can understand.
You don't need to write everything down. Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
Exactly. And we'll use each slang word in a natural story or example so you can hear how Americans really talk. Slang number 1, no cap.
Okay, let's start. The first slang is no cap.
No cap means I'm not lying. Like, this is true. I'm serious.
For example, my mom makes the best cookies in the world, no cap.
And that's actually true. I tried those cookies.
You ate 5.
No cap. Next is dead ass.
This one means I'm completely serious. It's like really, but stronger.
I'm dead ass tired. I dead ass forgot your birthday.
Don't forget my birthday, Patrick.
I would never. Dead ass.
Easy one. Bet.
It means okay, yes, or let's do it.
If I say, let's get pizza later, you can say,
Bet. This one is funny. Touch grass.
it means go outside, you need a break, you're too online.
Yesterday, Patrick spent 3 hours talking about a video game.
And she said, Patrick, go touch grass.
And he actually walked outside. One of the most popular words, rizz.
Rizz means charm, especially when flirting.
He has good rizz. She has no rizz. You need more rizz, man.
Patrick has like medium rizz.
Medium? That hurts.
Slay means you did something amazingly well.
You slayed that presentation. You slayed that outfit.
It's positive, fun, friendly.
One of my favorites, it's giving.
It means something feels like something else.
Your outfit is giving summer vibes. This music is giving 90s energy.
Low-key means a little bit or secretly.
I low-key want ice cream.
I low-key love rainy days.
The opposite of low-key. High-key.
I high-key want a vacation.
I high-key need a nap.
Bussin means really, really good, usually food.
This burger is bussin'.
And if Shirley says that, it's real because she's picky.
Slang number 11. Say less.
Means I understand, no more explanation needed.
Hey, I'm hungry. Want tacos?
Say less. Slang number 12. I'm him, I'm her.
This slang means I'm amazing. I did something great.
If Patrick wins a basketball game, he might say,
I'm him.
and I will say, calm down. Slang number 13. Main character energy.
It means someone feels confident, like the star of a movie.
You walked into the room with main character energy.
Or I'm having main character energy today.
Slang number 14. Vibe check.
A vibe check means checking someone's mood or energy.
Hey, vibe check. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Just tired. Slang number 15. Spill the tea.
Tea means gossip.
Spill the tea means tell me the gossip.
Okay, spill the tea. What happened at work? Slang number 16. Pressed.
Pressed means upset or bothered.
Why are you so pressed about this?
I'm not pressed, I'm just confused.
Slang number 17. Extra.
If someone is extra, they are doing too much.
Like when Shirley brings 14 snacks for a 1 hour drive.
That's called being prepared.
That's called being extra.
Slang number 18. Valid.
Means good, true, or reasonable.
That point is valid.
That idea is valid. Slang number 19. Mid.
Mid means not good, not bad, just okay.
The movie was mid.
Your sandwich was mid. Hey, that hurts.
Slang number 20. Delulu.
Last one, delulu. It comes from delusional.
It means someone believes something unrealistic. Example, Patrick thinks he can eat 20 tacos. He's delulu.
Okay, that's fair. You know what's funny? When I teach slang to my students, they get so excited. They're like, "Teacher, can I say no cap to my mom?" I'm like, maybe don't say that to your mom.
Yeah, imagine, Mom, I cleaned my room, no cap. Mom, what? Or when they say, Teacher, that test was mid.
Ooh, brave.
Very brave.
You know, slang changes fast. In 2026, we hear new slang almost every week.
True. And slang also depends on age, city, culture.
But the 20 words we shared today, these are popular everywhere.
Yep, you'll hear them on TikTok, YouTube, Netflix, in restaurants, from teenagers, young adults, everyone.
So, what do you think, Shirley? Why should learners know slang?
Well, slang helps you understand real people, real conversations, real emotions, not just textbook English.
Exactly. When you know slang, you feel more confident. You feel included.
And you don't need to use every word, just understand them first.
Yes, and use them slowly, naturally with friends, not in a job interview.
Please don't say this company is bussin' in a job interview.
Or I'm him.
Just have fun with English. Talk, listen, laugh, learn. It's a journey, not a test.
Yup, and you're doing great.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope this helped you understand 20 American English slang words you must know in 2026.
Stay curious, stay relaxed, and stay learning.
See you next time.
Bye.